Hello everyone, this is Karolina Klaus, Cards from Heaven. Today, together with the Filigranki, I will show you how to make a mixed media card. I will use here a pre-made card base with a bit smaller background on the front. I'm cutting my paper with a trimmer and I will decorate it with a new stencil from the Filigranki and a modeling paste from the Agateria. I do not care about this image, I just want to have a nice texture, so I'm stenciling it a little bit of chaotic. I'm drying it with a heat gun and repeating this process. Now it's a time for white crackled paste from the Prima. I die cut my leaves and I will use it for a composition. I'm gonna paint them with an acrylic paints and spray. I'm adding lots of water to get similar effects as watercolors. I'm mixing my colors and drying them. I go back to my background, which is already dry. I'm painting it with the same colors as leaves and drying it with a heat gun. For my card, I will use a lacy chipboard from the Filigranki. I'm gonna cover it with an embossing powder, Ballerina Pink, from the Nouveau. Doesn't it look gorgeous? To make my card more airy, I'm adding an off-white paper, a little bit bigger than the background. Now I'm just distressing edges with a scissors. With the help of Fast Stays on Black permanent ink, I'm stamping leaves on a vellum. Before that I stamped them with a brown ink, but they were too light for me. Because vellum is a small porous surface and ink dries long, I'm using a heat gun. I'm cutting out leaves. Now I'm gonna make my own embellishment. I'm gluing an acrylic sticker to a paper from the UHK Gallery Raspberry Tea collection. I'm smoothing it out with a bone folder, cutting it out and sticking it with a hot glue. I will decorate my background with a lace. A glue gun is perfect for this job. I'm gonna stick this pattern paper silker to a chipboard. A matte gel medium works best here. I'm removing an excess glue with a brush. To raise this element further, I will use a regular cardboard. I'm checking my composition all the time. Now I'm not happy how flat my focal point looks like, so I'm adding another cardboard. This is so much better now. As usual, I'm starting with sticking up a very back layer. I have a sisal, a crinkle silk ribbon, paper flowers, I have leaf stamp on a vellum. Here I'm just shaping the branches to make them look more natural. I'm gluing pieces of curtains. I used twine, and embossed on vellum butterfly. I'm shading a sentiment with a brown ink and gluing it to a few layers of a cardboard. It's time to stick it all together. I'm using a polymer glue, which works best on a big flat surface. I'm decorating a card with a micro beads and sequins. I'm using a gel medium here. At the end, I'm embellishing my card with a crystal drops from Dinuvo, and a mixed media card is ready. I hope I inspired you. See you later. Bye!